In the last few years, the demands of engineering have changed dramatically. However, technology has failed to keep pace, especially in the world of welding. All that is about to change. This DVD shows the revolutionary transformation about to hit welding machines. The hydraulic machines are available in 150 and 300 amp versions to match your requirements. Small and light as they are, the 150 amp generator develops sufficient power to punch a hole through plate steel, burning 4mm welding rod. The generators have a 100% duty cycle, eliminating downtime. The hydraulic generators are capable of drawing their power from the hydraulic takeoff on heavy plant machinery, found readily on building sites, often in remote areas. The hydraulic oil circulates through the machine and drives the generators. The 300 amp welding machine is made up of two 150 amp modules. This can be seen here on the DVD, as we have left the box cover off to show the interior.
Good morning, HPP.
If you purchase a 300 amp machine, the modular design allows two men to work simultaneously up to 400 feet apart, or side by side with both welding, or one welding whilst the other is cutting or grinding, without having to wait for each other. To complement these new machines, a brilliant electrode holder has been developed, which is managed totally by the welder, with all the controls on the torch itself, eliminating the need for a second man beside the machine. A new wire feeder has been developed, which is designed to work specifically with the new generation of welding machines. The sheer power of the generators makes them ideal for welding difficult materials. The deposition rate on steel is impressive, and the welding of aluminium, always a problem metal, is rendered straightforward by these powerhouse generators. The power of these machines cannot be overstated. Here again you can see a welder punching a hole in a thick piece of plate steel with 4mm rod being burned by a 150 amp machine. In this sequence you can see a welder operating with aluminium. This metal is no problem in the workplace, where the power of fixed generators is large. However, out on site with the lower powered portable welders, aluminium presents a huge problem. Power to the new generators is produced in pulses rather than continuously. This is particularly suited to welding aluminium and completely eliminates the problems. The power and control of these new generators allows the welder to complete his task without a hitch, producing a neat, smooth weld. Another problem for conventional welding machines is the difficulty of welding vertically. However, with this new set of generators, the way the arc is produced and delivered makes the task of vertical welding safe and easy, even for a novice welder. So, on this DVD you have seen the future of welding generators. The modular 150 and 300 amp machines are lightweight and easily portable in small vehicles. They have a 100% duty cycle, eliminating downtime, which makes them highly cost effective. The 300 amp machine, made up of two 150 amp modules, allows two men to work independently up to 400 feet apart. Using the hydraulic takeoff on heavy plant means the welding machines can be used in remote areas. If you are looking for massive power to weight ratio coupled with versatility and cost effectiveness, these are the machines for you. An added feature with these hydraulic welding machines out on site is in the event of an ignition or battery problem occurring with one of the heavy-duty plant machines. The power produced by the hydraulic welding machine can be harnessed to deliver battery charging and restarting of plant equipment. This could be invaluable in remote areas, enabling the defective plant equipment to be brought back into service immediately. This is another example of the cost effectiveness of these new machines.